Alright, what's up ladies? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own DIY length check shirt. So the reason I want to do this is because, I've been asking you guys what your hair goals are and most of you guys said length. So what I want to try to do is do something fun so that I can check my length and you guys can check your length with me. I think it'll be a fun journey for us to go on. And so what I want to do, I have here a blank white t-shirt. Nothing on the front. I took a cardboard box and I put it inside because we're gonna need a hard surface because we have here a ruler and a pen and a Sharpie. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the ruler and we're going to find the inches side and we're just gonna take the pen here and mark the inches on the back of the shirt. And so once we do that, we're gonna go in with our Sharpie. We're gonna make straight lines across the inch marks. So that's gonna help us be able to track how long our hair has grown. So today is May the 13th. So every 13th of the month, what we're gonna do is we're gonna check the length of our hair. So every month, if we do this correctly, if we wash our hair, deep condition, and just take good care of it, it should grow half an inch once a month. And it's hard to tell if your hair is growing if you don't measure it. I big chopped my hair in November of 2018. And I know that my hair has grown a lot since then, but I don't know how much because I never measured it. So this is something that I want to start doing now. So yeah, let's just begin. So you guys can see I'm just numbering each line so I can use them as a reference guide every month when I do my length check. So stay tuned over the next few months because I'm going to be using rice water and aloe vera gel with my products to see what it does for my hair. Rice water is packed with protein and aloe vera contains vitamins and enzymes that repair the hair follicles. And these two have been big in the natural hair community forever, so I'm just gonna see how it helps my hair grow. And if you're trying to get those inches, I want you to try it out and let me know in the comments what your results are. So this is my finished DIY length check shirt. I'm just gonna give it a nice shake and I'm gonna put it on and do my very first length check. So with shrinkage, my hair stops at about line 5 and then it stretches to line 8. So that's a great starting point. We'll see where it's at next month. Okay, so that's it for this video, you guys. If you've made it this far, you absolutely have to hit subscribe. I appreciate you so much for watching. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next one.